When the year's been extra tough, we look to the star Puanga.
Our tupuna never needed calendars to tell us when the Māori New Year was here.
We're forecasting plenty of westerly winds.
There were signs. Like the pihara would be back in our awa. Puanga would be shining extra bright. And the kereru would be at their fattest they've been all year. And when all those signs combine, our whānau from Whanganui get to business. 'Cause it's time to prepare for the Māori New Year. So we get ready for those strong westerly winds and heavy rain. Puanga's way of freeing us from all of our stresses and mama. Sometimes there's even floods, like this massive one from 2015.
We've been waiting all our lives for this flood. In fact, I think our ancestors who were before us have been waiting for another one of these too.
You see, Puanga helps us and the world around us to start over. So we're at our best for the new year. Which also means saying goodbye to our loved ones who have passed away during the year. Like our Nan, whose spirit sits at the very top of our sacred mountain, Ruapehu, where she waits to become a star. And when the time is just right and Puanga is shining extra bright, we gather for a special ceremony, releasing our Nan into the night so she can finally take her place among the stars.
And as we say goodbye to the year that's been, we now look to Matariki to welcome the year ahead.